everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Isibaya from the 23rd to the 27th of November 2020 on Monday. Phumelela takes matters into her own hands, standing Pihlangene. Things almost turned violent when Pihlangene confront Fenyang. Mkabayi put her trust in Kapela once more. On Tuesday, Ndwendla warns Dabula about doing something illegally to get the taxes. Kapela makes a shocking confession to Saddam. Pihlangene tries to manipulate Dabula into fighting his battles on Wednesday. Ndwendla is not impressed with the choices Sbu has been making. Fenyang worries Pihlangene has won Dabula over. Sbu is filled with guilt when he has to lie to Mabui again on Thursday. Fezile tried to get to the bottom of Pihlangene's plan with Melusi. Phumelela received devastating news and Thokozani confront Kapela for meddling on Friday. Melusi tries one last time to change his auntie's mind, but she does not budge. Sipokazi is not impressed with Skaleni's greed. The Ndlovu celebrate that Sbu is ready to move on, but not all is as it seems. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. If you want the full episode, there is someone, guys, who's posting the full episode on Facebook. I will leave the link on the comment section. Bye.